Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We're gonna go up and take the GB up. Enjoy the video. Somebody called you.
Yeah. Probably my buddy that's coming tomorrow. Gonna help me with the plane. Nice to know an aeronautical.
Is there no wind? I'm coming up, you two. Okay. Taking off. Oh well. Well guys, I think that's the end of this plane. Oh yeah, that's the end of this plane. Yeah. Well guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Do you think I can repair it? I don't know, looks maybe. But we'll find out. Catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.